Okay, here we go. Hey guys, welcome back to PaulDaFox. If you didn't see my last turbo build video update, I'll link it up here for you guys. In that video, it was basically a parts drop off and some more parts ordered. Have a look at it when you get a chance. It'll bring you up to speed. So today's video is a turbo progress update. I haven't been down to the shop in over 2 weeks. I'm actually not sure where things are at, to be honest. I don't really bug them through the week, and I know they're out on the weekends drag racing. So I thought I'd head down to the shop and just check up on things, see where things are at. So I'll see you guys when I get down there, and I'm looking forward to seeing some progress. There's the red beast. My buddy Mike's silver beast underneath. Another gray beast owned by Mike as well. There's his plate. Clean 5.0. Super clean. All right, we're gonna end up moving this silver coupe out, my buddy Mike's, but motor's in, tranny's in. We got it buttoned up. Here's a underneath shot. And we got some turbo pieces in, so I'm gonna get an overhead view once obviously we get Mike's car out of the way, and see what else has been done. Oh.
Gauge.
Okay.
Well, we're gonna skip that off.
Yeah.
Put the turbo walk more in there.
Well, she looks good, man. It's first time I've seen it in the engine in a year, so back end looks good. Turbo's looking good. A little crossover. You got the alternator. Oh yeah, we're getting.
Do you have a bracket for the top of this or no? Or just like this, the two on the bottom.
Just the two on the bottom. This little guy here was a return spring from the return spring from the throttle, reaches over, hooks onto there. That's what that was. Other than that, it's pretty good, man. Looks really good.
I didn't go too crazy.
Yeah.
Just yet. What pipe you were saying was too close or hit it?
Yeah, we didn't put this.
No,
in.
yeah, that's
It's loose.
yeah. We'll get to it. Try to keep everything rolled off. And
Yeah, beautiful. Oh yeah, that looks really good, man. Looks good. I like that placement there.
Like it was tight,
Yeah.
so we just had to notch, see the bottom of the seat tracks a little bit,
Yeah.
just so it's clear. But
That's perfect, man. That's an excellent. I love that placement. Shifter's in. That shifter's badass. Love the shifter. Love the Dominator placement. Coming slowly but surely.
Yellow Highway 7. Oh, there's glass everywhere, and it comes blocked.
My buddy Mike's car. It's here for his new motor install. He was in our top 5 baddest notches video. All right, guys, I'm out.
Okay,
So
Paul,
thank you for everything.
Yes.
Okay, thanks for everything,
No
Paul.
problem.
Really appreciate it. Chris, Ryan. All right, so I just left the shop and I'm caught in some serious traffic, so I thought I'd do the outro right now to get it done. Anyhow, to wrap this one up, I hope you guys enjoyed the updates. It was great for me to see the motor back in, the tranny's in, the driveline connected. Even some of the turbo components have been installed. The headers, crossover, and the cross brace. I really liked the Dominator placement. They had to make a custom plate and notch out the seat brackets just a little bit to squeeze it in, but they got it done. The shifter, the new shifter has also been installed, as you guys saw. New base plate was made for that as well. So there's definitely been a lot of progress made in the last 2 weeks, and there's definitely going to be a lot more made. So stay with me. I'm going to keep you guys up to date as best as possible. Otherwise, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment or a question you may have, smash the subscribe button. You guys know I appreciate you watching my videos, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.